Good morning, students. Hope all of you are fine. As you know, beta, we are doing chapter 3 of history, and name of this chapter is Nazism and the rise of Hitler. Till now, we have discussed various topics, and in the last lecture, we discussed about the Nazi worldview. Now, the today's topic is establishment of the racial state. So, once in power, the Nazis quickly began to implement their dream of creating an exclusive racial community of pure Germans by physically eliminating all those who were seen as undesirable in the extended empire. As you know, I have told you about this that according to Hitler, the Jews, the Gypsies, all or the physically challenged people, all those were declared as the undesirable. So now, this Nazi, they just want to implement their dream that there should be the state containing pure Germans and eliminating all those which are considered as undesirable. Nazi wanted only a society of pure and healthy Nordic Aryans. They alone were considered desirable. It means in the whole Germany only the Nordic Aryans they were considered as desirable. Only they were seen as worthy of prospering and multiplying against all other who were classed as undesirable. This meant that even those Germans who were seen as impure or abnormal had no right to exist. It means if we see at the Nazi worldview, here the first thing was that the people should be the Nordic Aryans. And the second thing was that their external features, like if even Germans who were seen as impure, they also had no right to exist. Under the euthanasia program, Helmut's father, along with other Nazi officials, had condemned to death many Germans who were considered mentally or physically unfit. Now, beta, do you remember about Helmut's father? His father was a physician, right? And that is why when Germany was defeated in Second World War, at that time, Helmut's father, he suicided. So, Jews were not the only community classified as undesirable. There were other communities also, like many gypsies and blacks living in Nazi Germany were considered as racial inferiors who threatened the biological purity of the superior Aryan race. They were widely persecuted. Beta, persecuted means the organized punishment of those belonging to a group or religion. And even Russian and Polish citizens, they were also considered subhuman and hence undeserving of any humanity. When Germany occupied Poland and parts of Russia, captured civilians were forced to work as slave labor. Many of them died simply through hard work and starvation. And even Jews, they remained the worst sufferers in Nazi Germany. Nazi hatred of Jews had a precursor in the traditional Christian hostility towards Jews. Because if we see the history of Germany, there also these Nazis were hostile and they were hatred of Jews. Because Jews, they had been considered or they had been stereotyped as killers of Christ. And Husrers. Husrers होता है बेटा the money lenders who charge interest. Until medieval times, Jews were barred from owning land. They survived mainly through trade and money lending. They lived in separately marked areas called ghettos. They were often persecuted through periodic organized violence and expulsion from the land. However, Hitler's hatred of Jews was based on pseudo-scientific theories of race, which held that conversion was no solution to the Jewish problem. It could be solved only through their total elimination. From 1933 to 1938, the Nazi terrorized, pauperized, and segregated the Jews, compelling them to leave the country. बेटा pauperized का मीनिंग होता है they were reduced to the absolute poverty. The next phase 1939 to 1945 aimed at concentrating them in certain areas and eventually killing them in gas chambers in Poland. Means first of all they were terrorized to leave the country, and in the next phase they were just sent to the gas chambers for killing them. So this way there was the establishment of racial state. Now the next topic is the racial utopia. Under the shadow of war, the Nazis proceeded to realize their murderous racial ideal. Like we have read that in the shadow of Second World War, Hitler fought a genocidal war, right? So genocide and war became two sides of the same coin. Occupied Poland was divided up. Much of northwestern Poland was annexed to Germany. Poles were forced to leave their homes and properties behind to be occupied by ethnic Germans brought in from occupied Europe. Poles were then herded like cattle in the other part called the General Government, the destination for all undesirable of the empire. Members of the Polish intelligentsia were murdered in large number in order to keep the entire people intellectually and spiritually servile. Polish children who looked like Aryans were forcibly snatched from their mothers, and they were examined by the race expert, and if they passed the race test, they were raised in German families, and if not, they were deposited in the orphanage where most perished. It means most of them died. With some of the largest ghettos and gas chambers, the general government also served as the killing field for the Jews. Like we have read that जो general government था, there that was the area where all the undesirable used to live. With that, beta, if you will see on this page, here it is mentioned the steps to death. So if you will read it very carefully, like the Nuremberg laws of citizenship of September 1935, only persons of German or related blood would henceforth be German citizens. It means only the German, जो Aryan German origin people, only they were allowed to live in the German Empire and they will enjoy the protection. And even the marriages between Jews and Germans were forbidden. Extramarital relations between Jews and Germans became a crime. Jews were forbidden to fly the national flag. And even other legal measures included like boycott of Jewish businesses, expulsion from government services, forced selling and confiscation of their properties. It means forcefully their properties were taken from them. Even beside Jewish properties were vandalized and looted, houses attacked, synagogues burned and men arrested. Beta synagogues होता है place of worship for people of Jewish faith. So their worship place was also burnt. Then this was the first step, that how they were deprived from their businesses and their houses. Now the stage 2 was the ghettoization. So From September 1941, all Jews had to wear a yellow Star of David on their breast. This identity mark was stamped on their passport, all legal documents, and on their houses also. They were kept in Jewish houses in Germany and in ghettos. These became sites of extreme misery and poverty. Jews had to surrender all their wealth before they entered a ghetto. Soon the ghettos were brimming with hunger, starvation, disease due to deprivation, and poor hygiene. Now, the third step was that Jews have no right to live. So, Jews from Jewish houses, concentration camps, and ghettos from different parts of Europe were brought to death factories by goods trains. In Poland and elsewhere in the East, most notably Belzec, Auschwitz, Sobibor, with all these names here, these gas chambers were set up. And they were charred in gas chambers, and mass killing took place within minutes with scientific precision. Here you can see beta, these images are also given that this figure 18, this person killed while trying to escape. The concentration camps were enclosed with live wires, with electrified wires. And the other side you can see the piles of clothes outside the gas chambers. Now, if you will see this figure 22 at the bottom right, shoes taken away from prisoners before the final solution. You can see there's a large heap of these shoes. So, beta, this way, this Nazi view was implemented in Germany. So, beta, this was the topic for today. Hope all of you have understood this topic. Thank you and have a nice day.